year, lakhs of Indian students move abroad for their studies. However, arranging to study abroad is a time-consuming and a tedious process. From selection of universities, filling out applications, arranging the right scholarship and finances, to sorting out your visa, the entire process is overwhelming and one does not know where to begin from. At AO, we do it all. Right from sourcing the right universities for our students to coaching them and applying for their student visa. Today, overseas education industry is so much commercialized that it becomes extremely difficult to find a right consultant who understands students and their requirements. At AO, students' interest is our top priority. We make sure that our students get admitted to the best suited university, as we strongly believe that our role is not of an agent. Rather, it is of an advisor, a torchbearer, a guide who enlightens the students to choose the right path for their future. We take utmost care at each and every stage of the process, right from the first day of counseling till the student lands to his ultimate study destination. Did you know that more than 85% of the people are unhappy with their jobs today? Well, research shows that. And isn't this shocking? Have you ever wondered why this happens? Well, one of the major reasons for this is a wrong career choice. If a student chooses a wrong career path, he will spend his entire life doing what is not meant for him. So, at AO, we make sure that the student makes an informed decision while choosing a course to study. Let me give you an example. Meet Priya. She wants to study abroad, but she is confused. So, she decides to visit AO for a free counseling session. As the first step of the process, we conduct an aptitude test for Priya to analyze her aptitude and skills to suggest her the right kind of course. Test is then followed by an intensive counseling session with our career counselor and our in-house psychologist. So, let's say after thorough analysis, we finalize business management course for Priya. Now that Priya has identified her calling, that is business management, we now give her a sense of the career she has chosen. At this stage, we start with her holistic profile development. We give her proper direction as to what extracurricular activities she needs to participate in, so that she gets ample amount of exposure in the field of business management. We advise her to attend leadership seminars on regular intervals so that she gets to sharpen her leadership skills. To give Priya a practical sense of how a business is conducted on the ground, we even arrange one-to-one sessions with industry professionals. So, we carefully select those extracurricular activities which complement her career choices. During the process, students need to clear standardized tests. At AO, we provide in-house coaching for SAT, IELTS, TOEFL and PTE. We ensure that personal attention is given to each and every student. Thereby, we do not take more than 10 students in one batch. Our comprehensive study material, extensive training sessions and real-time mock tests help our students to be fully prepared for their examination. All in all, at AO, we not only teach students but also coach them. Next in the process is university selection, which depends upon a lot of factors like students' academic profile, test scores, extracurriculars, and their location and budget preferences. We meticulously understand each and every parameter and then select universities. We are a passion-driven organization, and for us, our top priority is delivering a promising career to our students. Unlike other consultants in the market, we do not influence students to opt for universities which offer commission to the consultants. When it comes to overseas education, how students present themselves plays a very important role. The documents that students submit are a glimpse of who they are, and at this stage, we have a no compromising approach. All the hard work that a student does in the preparation would go in vain, even if there is a slightest misrepresentation in the documents that are put forward. We guide our students in the preparation of all the documents like statement of purpose, essays, recommendation letters, resume, and portfolio. We provide complete guidance and support for the entire process of application filling. We also guide our students in filling external scholarship applications. Now comes the time when the student has to choose the final destination for their studies, that is, finalizing that one university. This is done by conducting a very comprehensive comparative analysis without any prejudice for a specific university. Our team is driven by passion and not by monetary gains. The last and the final step and the most crucial step is the visa application. We provide complete support and guidance for visa application process. We make sure that our students are well prepared for their interviews and are ready to put their best foot forward. At AOM, every single candidate who flies abroad goes with a smile on his face and a sense of satisfaction. And this gives us the fuel to run this organization.